Container list. Package container/list is an implementation of the double-linked list data structure in Golang. If we illustrate it like this double-linked list data structure, we'll start by creating a file named container list. Add the package main declaration and the main function. Adding elements to the list. We create a new list using the list new function, which returns a new empty list. The process begins by initializing an empty list called myList. Then, 3 elements are appended to the list sequentially. First, the string apple is added, followed by banana, and finally orange. After this operation, the list myList contains 3 elements in the order apple, banana, and orange. Iterating over the list. We iterate over the elements of the list using a loop. We start from the front of the list, myList, front, and continue until we reach the end of the list, element, equals nil. In each iteration, we print the value of the current element using element value. Removing an element from the list. We remove the second element, banana, from the list. We first find the element to remove, myList, front. Next, which gives us the second element in the list. Then, we remove this element using the remove method. Iterating over the updated list. After removing the element, we iterate over the updated list similarly to step 4. This time, we print the elements of the updated list. Now let's run code. As you can see, this is the result of the package list.